Here is Learn English Up, where your English levels up. Essential English words you must know.
Hey, I'm Max. Today I'm going to a cafe to show you how to navigate a menu, order, customize, and enjoy coffee in English. Whether you're a beginner or want to sound confident, I'll guide you step by step. I step up to the counter where the menu board lists all the drinks. Some drinks are hot, served warm, and some are iced, cold with ice. There are classic hot options like latte, coffee with steamed milk, cappuccino, coffee with foam, macchiato, strong espresso with a little milk, flat white, Americano, and cold options like cold brew and nitro coffee. I notice seasonal specials that change every week, like a pumpkin spice latte. There are also alternative milks, such as oat milk and almond milk, perfect for plant-based diets. Syrups like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut can make drinks sweet, and a drizzle on top adds extra flavor. You can also customize your drink or add an extra shot. Some cafes even let you pre-order or order ahead, which is helpful when the line or queue is long. Next, I look at the sizes. Most cafes now use tall, small cup, grande, medium cup, and venti, large cup, instead of small, medium, large. I decide on a grande iced latte with oat milk and a drizzle of caramel syrup. The barista begins to brew the espresso, steam the milk, and froth it until it's creamy and foamy. Then she pours it carefully into my cup and places a cap or lid on top for takeaway. Watching this process helps me understand how drinks are made. I also pick a pastry like a croissant or a pain au chocolat to enjoy with my coffee. I choose just one so I can savor it with my drink and enjoy every bite. On the side, I can ask for sugar, cream, or a low-sugar sweetener. I notice a few payment options: cash, card, or mobile payment. I choose to tap my card for contactless payment because it's quick and convenient. The barista hands me a receipt and asks, "For here or to go?" I reply, "For here, please." Finally, I find a social table, a large table shared with others, and sit down because I want to meet new people and enjoy the lively cafe atmosphere. I focus on conversation and socializing, so I don't connect to Wi-Fi this time. My handcrafted drink is rich, smooth, and slightly bitter, just the way I like it. I notice how freshly brewed coffee smells aromatic, and the cafe feels cozy. Every detail, from the espresso shot to the barista's smile, makes this a complete cafe experience. I leave feeling happy, having learned how to order confidently and enjoy every part of my visit.
If you want to learn English for other real-life situations too, like airports, restaurants, or daily conversations, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.